Get the fuck out of here! Are they on the hillside still? Are we on the hillside, bad?
I don't know.
All right. Where are they at, guys? I got a rocket.
Oh, nice.
Okay, copy.
Give me that fucking rocket.
Hey, we're moving down the hill.
Hey, don't wrap that side. There's a guy waiting right there.
They need a ref.
Hey, hold on. He's got a rocket.
There's a tank coming for us too.
Hey, can I wrap around and get inside? No.
On our side. So there's a tank coming, but it's ours.
Oh.
So we're gonna push through this, but we've got to hold this shit. I'll try to lay cover wherever. Whenever you're ready.
Hey, ref, I'm gonna rocket this building right here. That building? That building. All right, rocket. Oh my God, I missed.
Shit.
You hit your own building. I did. Oh, we're up right, dude. We're up right. Yep.
Yeah.
Right? Our guys are moving down from the right. Building hit. Building hit. Clear them, clear them.
The clear.
Go, 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 go.
Go, go, get in there, get in there.
Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go. I got no paint, I'm running. Woo. Come on, let's go! Let's go!
Hold the inside! Left side, inside! Left side, inside! Look hot!
Oh, come out, homie. I don't know how many times I've seen that shit happen.
So far, that was my first. So.
Fuck it. This shit's crazy.
That was awesome.
That was awesome. Good job, guys. That was fucking badass.
Yeah, they're still controlling the trees behind on the other side of the road.
Wow, we're at that.
Suicide run! Suicide run! Oh.